Hi and good afternoon. Welcome. I'm so glad you guys have joined us today. My name is Holly Bowen. I am the owner of Ever Open House. We are a 3D modeling company specializing in Matterport model production. And I am here with Wendy Legerton, the principal and architect of Legerton Architecture.
Hi, good to be here today. Thank you, Holly.
Thank you, Wendy. Well, we're having this call today because we decided we wanted to share some of our experiences working together using Matterport to create digital models for some of the spaces that you guys are renovating for your clients. I think we've both discovered that it holds a lot of power given that we can provide, using these scans, we can provide a Revit model that you can import and begin your renovations designs within a week. And so we thought that that information and these experiences would be useful for other architects. So thank you for joining me today.
Absolutely. Um,
Yeah.
we were, let's see, our firm had the blessing of being having lots of jobs and not enough people to do all the work that we had. And we connected with Ever Open House, and they had a Matterport 3D Matterport scanner, and we had them come out to a job site and do a three-dimensional scan. And initially, it was just interior scanning, and then they upgraded their equipment and were able to get the latest model of the Matterport camera. And now they're able to go to our job sites and scan interiors and exteriors. And then they have a partnership with another group who is able to, from the date of the scan, send us back the full point cloud and a Revit model. So that kind of speed is phenomenal, and it's helped us start projects a lot more quickly. It's helped us save our clients a lot of time and money, because instead of us going out with our lasers and taking notes, we are benefiting from the scanning technology. And then the other thing I would say is that in addition to helping us with local projects, we also have some projects that are, a couple hours away. And we've had Holly and her team at Ever Open House go to Boone for us and scan a building. And instead of having to, if we had gone in person, the old-fashioned way, you take as many photographs as you can, you take as many measurements as you can, and then inevitably there's one shot or one measurement that you forgot and things aren't aligning. Um, and the benefit of having the Revit model and the point cloud is that we can check all that from our desks without having to drive to Boone and back. So we're just thrilled to have this partnership and this technology, and to have this wonderful other locally owned firm in Asheville that we can help support.
Thanks. And as are we've known about this technology for a while, and a lot of people are maybe familiar with Matterport just for the sake of walking through homes for real estate sales. But the real power of the technology is how we're implementing it and applying it now. So it's very exciting to see. And as we are service oriented ourselves, we like to help our clients help other people. So it's really exciting for us to hear that we've not only helped you guys save time and money, but also your clients' time and money. Do you have any idea, I mean, hours, a rough estimate of, we've worked on probably what, 12 projects so far? I mean, if you could give a ballpark on how have we shortened that workflow time for you and
I
a
will
ballpark.
say, yeah, I'm not sure about the hours. I will say it has been significant. It has been amazingly helpful, and I know that it has saved money, and I haven't quantified that exactly yet, but
Yeah,
it's been phenomenal.
that's great.
The other thing that it has helped is it has helped with our attention to detail and care of the work. Um, the Holly and her team know that because we need to be accurate within, an eighth of an inch in some cases, or even more if it's a more particular situation that we're designing. And they're able to take more points when they go out and scan in the field, and that helps generate a really accurate point cloud that then we have a lot of we can really rely on with a lot of certainty. So that's been really wonderful.
When you've gone back and verified with either existing plans or in the field, have you found that there is a consistent level of accuracy? We hope so, but I just wanted to hear that from you.
Absolutely. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm great.
Good. Well, So tell us about, we were going to talk about a particular case study, the Madison County Arts Council building. Why don't you take us through and show us how the plans have worked for your team?
Sure, absolutely. Let me take a moment and share my screen. Do I have the, yes, I do. Here we go. Okay, can you see that now?
Yeah, we can. Thank
Okay,
you.
great. Um, so let me just check the section box in this model. So we received a Revit model and this point cloud. So everything in color or in pink at the moment is the point cloud information, in addition to the photograph layer that we are then able to link into the Revit model. And then we can add our addition directly onto that and see exactly what we're building over and what the existing conditions are like, and we can go in with our tape measure and measure exactly from the point cloud what is there. And let me show you the benefits of it.
Yeah, so we're seeing interior and exterior all accurately from the model that was provided to you.
And so this is cutting the Madison County Arts Council building in half, and then looking inside and seeing all of the, and if we scroll in really close, you can see those are all little tiny points that then we can measure to and from. And that aligns with the Revit model that their third party partner provided to us. And if we ever had a question about, is the Revit model accurate, we can always go back and turn on the point cloud and verify that it is accurate. So it's just been phenomenal in terms of helping us onboard new projects and clients more quickly, and having a lot of detailed, accurate information right from the beginning. So it's been wonderful, and I hope that
Great.
y'all are able to help other architects in the area as well.
Great. Well, it sounds like you've had a good experience working with our team, but is there anything else you'd like to add about just the process, how your team is working with us and the workflow and that sort of thing?
Absolutely. Holly's a phenomenal communicator and is great reaching out to clients to schedule the site visits. Really good, consistent communication, everything that we would want to have with a professional colleague. And that is all clients have been really happy. So it's a win-win-win. So we're delighted. And the Madison County Arts Council was generous enough to allow us to share their project. So thank you to them as well.
Well, thank you. I really appreciate your time, Wendy. I hope that this has been helpful for those in the construction field, architects, builders, to let them know just how powerful this technology is to shorten some timelines, to do so with ease, and that there's a team at the ready to help. So thank you, Wendy, for your time today. And would it be okay if anyone has a question? May they reach out to me, and may I send them over to you if they have any additional questions?
Absolutely, happy to help. And the other thing I wanted to add was that our mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineers also have benefited from the detailed level of information that you get with the scan and the 3D photography. We typically, when we go to a site, we don't always have them come initially, and the amount of data that is encapsulated in this package is phenomenal for them as well as us. It's great.
Wonderful.
Mhm.
Well, thank you so much, Wendy, for your time. And all the viewers out there, if you'd like to get in touch with us, please, by all means, my email is holly@everopenhouse.com. Feel free to email me anytime. And I look forward to hearing from you and working with you soon. Wendy, again, thank you for your time today. We really appreciate it. And we, of course, look forward to working with you in the coming year. Thank you so
You got
much.
it. Thank you, Holly.
Cheers.
Take care. Okay.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye bye.